This week on Entertainment Recap has a sudden drop of baby fever. Rihanna expecting her first child. Tami Wayne expecting baby number 4. 20 to 35 mil budget for Carnival in Trini. New music and more. I'm your host, Alicia. Let's get into it. Look at these lovebirds expecting baby number 4. Jamaican entertainers and YouTubers Wayne Marshall and Tami Wayne have announced that they will be having a 4th child. Tami shared the announcement on Instagram Friday, January 21st, stating that at Wayne Shreezy and I are so blessed to be expecting yet another little being into our world. We are beyond excited, out of our minds, happy and all around overjoyed to have this awesome experience one last time or one more time. I don't know, but that song there, plug it in.
One more time.
She continued though to say, yes, this is it. We are waiting a little longer to find out if we are having a boy or girl. Although many of you have your own hopes and wishes for us. Smiley emoji. But in the meantime, we're just enjoying the bliss of the awesome miracle that is life. We already love our littlest love so much. Congrats to you both on the journey. Motherhood is a pleasure. On the topic of pregnancy, Bajan heroine and entrepreneur Robin Rihanna Fenty is pregnant with ASAP Rocky's baby. How cute, right? The cosmetic and beauty mogul Rihanna revealed her baby bump in official photos on Monday, January 31st. While out and about in Harlem, New York with rapper boyfriend ASAP Rocky. This is the first child for the couple who have been romantically intertwined on and off since 2013. According to multiple reports, the couple began seriously dating again in early 2021. Here's a fun fact. ASAP's dad is from Barbados. You didn't know that? So he's half Bajan too. What a Bajan cuteness. Interesting, right? Enough about the people in business do. But nah lie, all baby bump Rihanna make look cute and flawless. You see the girl belly? The younger dancehall female artist received a stern warning from the queen. Well, once a queen, is she kinda still the queen? But it's just pure drama. Here's what's going on. Our dear lovely Minister Hall has asked Spice, Shenseea, Jada Kingdom, and even Aishana to stop with the lewd content in their music, stating they are competing in a desperate race to hell.
I don't care if you like me or not. The devil is a liar and the devil is lying to you.
Marion Hall, known as former queen of the dancehall, Lady Saw, on Sunday, January 23rd, said she took responsibility for starting the slackness in dancehall. She advised the quartet to turn to God and refrain from chasing the things of the world or risk losing their salvation. She went on to say, I am sharing this live today, but I want Spice to see it. I want Aishana to see it. I want, what's the other name? Jada Kingdom. I want you all to see this because you are all selling yourself short and you are going to hell if you don't turn around. I am telling you that because I was you and it's disgusting and you need to stop. Lady Saw continued to state, and I don't know if you have a heart like mine or you have a conscience. We all make mistakes, and sometimes I believe even you, Shenseea, when I look at you, you're so beautiful. I made some bad mistakes then, you know. Just know the warning never received well because Spice was rather upset.
And me hear Anthony Miller say, remember say no?
there is a recorded thing in the Star where Lady Saw say, I am the next queen of the dancehall. Cause no found to talk about say, a Spice crown herself. But you don't know why problem. She was happy for me to be the queen of dancehall. She was happy for me to be the next queen of the dancehall after her. But she never want me get too big. She never knows me that go get so big. She think me that go stay small for the rest of my life and catch up her yard. And that's the problem. You ever hear them say, your friend wants to see you do good but never better than them? But because of the love that woman had, because of how we did love her, me now say uno, because I did love her too. Because of how we did love her, she used it. And take up one big dirty pan of water and throw it over upon me so. And then she dig one big deep hole and push me in the hole. And take her foot and cover up the dirt. But she never knew I was a seed and that I would grow.
And Shenseea, well, she had no words or any interest in replying to Minister Hall. Not the usual big fanfare, but a big money budget for Carnival in Trinidad and Tobago. The announcement came from the National Carnival Commission on February 4th. The virtual carnival will be dubbed Taste of Carnival, a calypso showcase according to NCC Chairman Winston Gypsy Peters. Mr. Peters went on to say that pods will be in place at Queen's Park, Savannah, the location for Carnival, and will host 6 to 9 persons respectively. He also revealed that the budget of this year's Carnival had reduced to an estimated amount of $25 to $30 million. You know what a whole heap of money for jump up? At the press conference, this is what he had to say.
We will have Calypso tents, Calypso Fiesta, and Calypso Monarch Festival. There will be special mass competition for the Carnival King and Queens and special pan events for single pan, medium bands, and indeed large bands.
Well, you know it's now new music, and on this week's new music, which is my favorite part of the show, we have Kranium with Deh Ya, Rytikal with Beauty in the Struggle, bad song. Yeah, all of the songs that me I gonna say a bad song. Teejay with New Year, Ding Dong with his official Rich Walk video, It Out, and Iwaata with Pain.
I'm a notice, shout out to the dogs I'm a grow with. The road rough when I walk, but I don't slip. Me show level when me heart can't hold it. Never give up no matter what go around me. Me want no one when me dark and lonely. You can't use nothing on my past and judge me. Because me learn to move on. We suffer, we fight, we rise and we fall. It's just life. We all gotta face it someday. Struggle, you made it. Ugliness in the success, just the same. For the new year, new year, new year. Money enough, we're turning it up. For the new year, new year. For the new year. You have to reach like a Bill Gates them. Say we have to reach like a Jeff Bezos. Get a youth rich like a Ram Sharam or Gary them. Yeah, me know. Doing it like Greg Mill, make a 10 mil investing. Still I look out for me brethren, cause life still a battle like wrestling.
Me not rich yet, but what you wanna laugh when the thing set? Them gal gon' get where the dog get. Me them gal a blow the thing I like trumpet. Wildlife effect. So catch a rich walk when things start going for your rich talk. Yeah, me all about the bag, so I bag walk. Them slow like snail, them a crab walk. Yo dog, me not start living a life yet. The dreams that me have, them priceless. Post anything my page down private. Me think loud coronation market. Yeah, but at the party and nippy. Can laugh naked, I show them. It's coconut rum, we are use chase any. Rags to riches Cause me want here play chippy. You know see me fluff it on liar.
Kids are higher through the pain. They say they end to the tomorrow no see ya. Yeah, me no fire win. In a my voice I hear the pain. Take a trip, go on a plane. Things change up ain't the same. Who did say them loving and not loving no more? Look like I in a win, me put my faith. No them can't stop this, watch I make me blaze the flame. Now put them pan practice, stay focused to the game. One cement and black, no fi fix me mama place.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, these individuals. Happy birthday to you. This week's birthday shout out goes to Sean Kingston. Continue to do great work. Also, happy, respectful, restful birthday to the late Dennis Brown and the late Rex Nettleford. Your work shall live on and play its part within the industry. Rest easy. And on that note, thanks for watching PBCJ's Entertainment Recap. I'm your girl, Alicia. Remember to follow us on all socials at PBC Jamaica. Again, it's PBC Jamaica on all social media platforms. Thanks to Ear Candy all the time. Them show up for me and make sure that my ears look good. Yes, I remember to follow them at the Ear Candy Collection on all social media platforms. If you have a story to share, email us at asteel@pbcjamaica.org. Oh, I remember just always and forever, big up you.